So it is very interesting how food can bring people together. It's a memory. It is so much. And I still have my struggles every now and then in full honesty. But it is interesting to me because I know, like, I was at a hotel this last weekend and I was like, it doesn't feel like anything is good.
Yeah.
I just want a good meal. And this is not here. Right?
Yeah.
And so I just didn't eat. Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, I had like a iceberg lettuce salad, right?
Yeah.
So, but it was like, oh, I was kind of proud of myself because I was like able to be, you know what, you don't have to eat just because if the food's not good, you don't want it, then don't force yourself, but eat something,
Yes.
right? So, I mean, that was kind of my thinking, and I was pretty proud of myself because I didn't go to the vending machine, but I didn't feel bad either.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Because you're at least getting something in
Right.
without creating some other form of distress,
Exactly.
which is what happens. It's this distress that starts to wreak havoc in the body. And most people don't get that because they don't, outside of like food poisoning, they don't
Right.
get that some foods,
Mm-hmm.
non-nutritious, just create this slow drip of its decay
Mm-hmm.
in terms of what's happening internally.
Right.
And usually there's some sort of an event that tips the scale, and then you uncover a lot of other things. And just by 80% of the time eating consistently better quality foods that actually have nutrition in them is a really good way to start.
Really? So that 80%.
80% is it's better to go 80%
Then
and fall off 20% if you call it falling off.
okay.
Because when you get really good at recognizing I'm feeding myself from a functional standpoint. We didn't have to think about this before because food wasn't as compromised as it is now.
Mm-hmm.
We also didn't have the lifestyles we do now.
Right.
Where we're sitting for extended periods of time, we're not exercising as much. And again, the chemical load in food. So if even 80% of the time you can just make better choices that are supportive of your system, that don't leave you with any sort of internal distress, and that means that food's going in and coming out in a timely manner,
Mm-hmm.
then it's better off than going 100% and going completely off.
Right.